Many industries have requirements to develop flat patterns of complex geometry, for example the label surface on this interface assembly. The flatten surface capability was introduced in SolidWorks 2015, and SolidWorks 2016 introduces many new improvements. You can now flatten any surface, including ones with internal holes like this. Additional 3D curve geometry can also be flattened like this arrow icon. You simply select the curve entities from the base surface and they are automatically formed onto the flat preview. A common challenge when designing flat patterns is that stresses are induced when forming the shape back onto the 3D surface. These stresses are easily identified using the deformation plot, highlighting both stretch and compression. These areas can cause problems, such as distortion and air bubbles when the label is formed onto the final surface. You can see here that modifying the original loft feature updates the flattened surface and the resulting deformation plot, giving you instant feedback into the feasibility of the design. By simply selecting tear lines, SolidWorks 2016 now allows relief cuts to be introduced into the flat pattern, alleviating the excessive stress around the outer edge of the label. The flat label surface now looks okay to be passed on to manufacturing. After isolating the label surface and hiding any unwanted geometry, you can simply choose to pass the label via DXF or DWG. You have the choice to either select geometry to export or just select a current view to gather everything visible on screen. These new capabilities take the guesswork out of creating and validating flattened shapes of even the most complex geometry.